I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this feeling on my skin. Hello curly crew, it's Mary and welcome back to the Curly Closet. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome. If you're returning here, then welcome back. So today's video is going to be me coming to you fresh faced. I haven't even like wiped, washed my face, nothing today. All I have today on my lips is a little bit of lip balm because yeah, I don't like dry lips on camera. But apart from that, I've done nothing to my face because you've seen the title. This is going to be a Fenty Skin first impressions review. So I have 3 Fenty Skin products here. I have the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser. I have the Fenty Skin Fat Water, which is a pore refining toner serum. And then I have the Hydrovisor, which is the Invisible Moisturizer with SPF 30. And the Hydrovisor comes in a packet like this with like bits to be assembled. I'll get to that later. I got these products on a deal on the Fenty Skin site. You can get all 3 of the introductory products. I think it's for $77 rather than $84. I can't remember, but I'm going to put it on the screen. Your best skin in 3 simple steps used together to brighten skin, reduce the look of pores and target dark spots. Clean, vegan, cruelty free and earth conscious. By the way, I will be trying out all of these products for a whole week on my face, and I will be giving you more of a full review after a week. So if you want to see that video, then hit the red subscribe button below. You can also hit the bell for notifications. That way you'll know when I upload the full review. So if you've been watching me for a while, you know for sure that Fenty Beauty is pretty much my favorite beauty brand. So of course I was very excited when they decided to come out with Fenty Skin. I was like, okay, let me see what this is really saying. Now regarding myself and my own skincare routine, to be completely honest, I keep my skincare routine very, very simple. My skin doesn't really like a lot of changes, so I'm really risking it all right now. Just for you guys, just so you can see kind of how it works on my skin, because I don't really mess with my skincare routine. I've had issues with my skin before, and when I simplified my routine, my skin essentially decided to clear up. Apart from, of course, this pimple right here, which decided to appear on the very day I decided to do a skincare review, because generally speaking, my skin is oily / combination with a bit of sort of dryness in the middle. But essentially, if I keep my face clean and moisturized, everything's fine. Anything that's too dry in or anything that's too oily, my skin says no and it starts breaking out. So yeah, you can check up here and watch that video on my skincare routine. Essentially my skincare routine has not changed. I wash my face, I moisturize my face. When I'm going to take makeup off, I use facial wipes. I have a makeup remover that I use. Wash my face or wipe my face, moisturize my face. That's it. I don't even use a toner. Reason being, any toner that I've used just never quite fits with my skin. Either they're too sticky or they're too dry in. Either one of those two will make my skin break out, so I just leave them alone. Until now. I've got my skincare routine down, and now I'm going to interrupt with the Fenty Skin, but here we go, okay. So I'm here to give you my first impressions review of the products. Starting of course with the cleanser, and then we're gonna go from there. By the way, if you like skincare reviews, then please hit the like button below. I would like to do more skincare reviews on this channel, especially for those of us whose skin is just very simple and has very simple tastes. I think it's really important where skincare is concerned that people of as many different skin types as possible try different skincare products out, just so that the everyday person gets an idea of what really works well for them. Now of course this is going to come under the title or banner of Black Girl Friendly. It's just called Black Girl Friendly just because I'm a black girl. It's not that deep. Even if it works for this black girl, it may not work for another black girl, but let's just go with it, okay? So Fenty Skin Total Cleanser, Remove It All Cleanser. Okay, I'm already skeptical. I love Fenty Beauty, you know, but I'm not a Fenty stan. I will say if I really don't like something, whenever a product like this says remove it all, I'm hyper clean soft skin without stripping or drying. Okay, good. Daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. I'm not buying it, but okay. No matter what kind of cleanser I use, if I try to wash my face without actually wiping the makeup off my face first with a makeup remover, it doesn't matter how much I wash it, this These things don't take off all the makeup off my face. They just don't. Use Day and Night to remove makeup, dirt and impurities. Wet skin, work into a lather, rinse. Very simple instructions, very clear. I like it. Okay, so I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera, but it's pink. It's pink. Yeah, it's got some colouring in it, so just so you know, if your skin is sensitive to that kind of stuff, it does have colourants in it. Okay, so, oh, that smells nice. Okay, I feel like my face isn't wet enough. Hang on. Advantages of having a really good spray bottle. Oh, this smells gorgeous. It does have a bit of fragrance in it from what I've heard. That's a lovely scent though. It's not overly strong. Okay. Okay. Let me come in a little closer for you guys so you can see the full effects. It has a very light lather, but I like it actually. Oh, it's gotten in my eye. It's definitely a very pleasant experience. Ooh, I'm loving this. Okay, I'm gonna rinse it and come back. I finished washing my face. By the way, if my ear looks a bit weird, I'm sorry. I had a minor op on my ear. That's another story for another time. But my face at the moment feels lovely actually. It feels very gentle. So, very gentle, but my face does actually feel like it's been cleaned. Because I find sometimes with gentle cleansers, especially if they're kind of creamy, they actually feel like they really didn't do anything. All you feel is that your face has been, you've put cream on your face, like lotion, and then you washed it off with water, and then your face just still feels like it's got lotion on it or cream. Like, it just, no. But this feels nice. Very gentle, a gentle lather, not too much. But my face does actually feel like it's gotten some stuff washed off of it. Feels good. Okay, next up we have the Fenty Skin Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. I'm okay with serums, but I don't really use them because I feel like they don't moisturize my skin in the way that my skin likes to be moisturized. And toners, I just stay away from them because they never work for me. Anyway, it says, instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, even skin tone and fights shine without stripping skin. Okay, that's good to hear, because yeah, the stripping of the skin never works for my skin. Use day and night on clean skin. Apply over face with fingers. For it's done or use only. Okay, again, simple, clear instructions. I'm very happy that it's sealed. As with all products are sealed, because you know, you just have that reassurance like nobody's tampered with your stuff before you got to you. So the interesting thing about this is that you're supposed to apply it over your face with your fingers, which is interesting because a lot of toners I know, they tend to like require you to use pads and stuff, and I find that sometimes using pads and stuff isn't good with toners because I feel like I'm inclined to rub my face a lot harder than I should. This actually has a seal right here. Removing this. Ah, I see, yeah, because it's liquid and it will be coming through, so yeah. It doesn't say how much to use, so I'm just gonna start with a little less, and then if I feel like I need more, I'm gonna add a bit more. And I can kind of see why it's called fat water. I hope you can see that. It's watery, but it has a bit of a serum texture. So yeah, I kind of do get the fat water idea. Okay. I put a bit on, but I need some more. The bottle is a bit squeezy, which is nice too. Ooh, I don't know if I put too much, but okay. Because again, with my skin, if I put too much or something on, I think it's the product though. No, it's the product. Okay, it has a tiny bit of foam, but it doesn't feel bad. It's going on quite smoothly. And it does feel kind of serum-y, but not in a way that your skin feels like really thick. I don't know, like it doesn't feel really thick on the skin is what I mean. Now my skin is feeling a tiny bit sticky, and I don't know, did I use too much? I'm gonna bring you in a bit closer. I don't know, did I use too much? I hope not. Doesn't appear so. It looks okay to me. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this feeling on my skin. I don't know, now it's dry and it's still feeling a bit sticky, but not as bad. I don't know, we'll find out, we'll see. One thing I will say that I do like though is, to me, my skin looks quite glowy with this, which I'm kind of liking. Next up we have the Fenty Skin Hydra Visor Invisible Moisturizer SPF 30. So this is the box, clearly. This, and then you have the bits inside, so let's see what you have to do with that. Okay, so I think I'm getting the idea. This is the outer shell with the Fenty Skin logo, and then this is the refill. This is the refill, which has a pump on it. From what I'm seeing, this goes into here. It has a little click, and then there you are. And then it has this little feature here which is really cute, which has a little twisty at the bottom, and when you twist the bottom, look, this goes in and comes up. That's cute. I love little cute stuff like that. It's nice. In the meantime, now that my face is dry, I can feel there's something on my face, but it does not feel sticky. So the toner is actually a yes so far. So moisturizer says use every single day, no excuses, apply before makeup for the ultimate canvas. Apply before makeup for the ultimate canvas. That's literally the only instructions. Are you here? Oh, here we go, here we go. Okay, I've gone with 3. Again, it's a light pink color. Okay, we have a light pink. Similar fragrance to the cleanser. Nice and light. A little bit floral. Okay. Okay. And we're moisturizing. Okay, so this is supposed to be invisible. I can see a white cast. But it looks like it's absorbing. So feels nice, I'm liking it. So far, I like it. I'm kind of surprised. I wasn't expecting to like it this much, but I do. The moisturizer feels quite rich. You don't need a ton of it. But going on, it feels like it is actually really moisturizing my skin. My skin looks quite glowy with it too. I feel like something on my skin that actually feels nourishing. Because you know, sometimes you get those creams that's like a really light lotion, and whenever I use them, my skin just doesn't take to them very well. They moisturize my skin for maybe about half an hour, but this that does actually have some richness to it. Again, I'm bringing you a bit closer so you can see. It's not just glowy, there's like an actual, I don't know, there's a luminous feeling. There's a luminous feeling to it. That looks nice. Okay, it smells lovely. So far I'm liking it. And I'm kind of surprised because especially with the toner serum situation, it's not really my kind of thing. But I'm actually liking it so far. Tell me in the comments below what you think of what you see. I'm liking the feel of it and I'm liking the look of it. I don't know about my pores looking smaller. Honestly, I don't really pay that much attention to my pores. This is the honest truth. Currently, no, my pores be looking just the same to me as always. But Okay guys, so this was a very quick first impressions overview of the first few Fenty Skin products. So far, I'm surprised to say I like them so far. But what I'm going to be doing is using them for the next week, and then I'm going to come back with a follow-up review video just to let you see like how my skin has responded, because there have been times when I've tried something on my skin, it feels nice for the first day or so, and then day 3, day 4, day 5, my skin is just rejecting it. So I will come back and let you know how I feel about the products for a week. But for the time being, my skin is actually liking it. I like the experience of putting them on. It has a little bit of fragrance, but it's not strong. I'm liking it so far. If there's one thing I am very happy about, is that the moisturizer is an SPF 30, but on to me doesn't automatically look like I have SPF on. Now that it's actually sunk in, it's looking very lovely. I'm very happy and impressed about that. Okay, curly crew, so comment below, let me know your thoughts about how you think this performed on my skin for a first impressions. Give me a comment down below. Let me know, have you tried Fenty Skin yet and what you thought of the products so far. And of course, comment down below and let me know if you would like to see a follow-up video to this one. And I'll see you again in my next video. Wishing you health, happiness and beautiful hair. I'll see you again soon. Take care.